Hello, this video will review target profit calculations using exercise 3.4 from your text. Exercise 3.4 is replicated here. Okay, so the requirements of this exercise are to find out how many cookbooks this company needs to sell in order to generate $110,000 in net income. Alright, so we have the two steps written down here that we're going to have to take. The first thing we need to do is to convert our net income back to net operating income. Okay, so we know that our net income is $180,000, our target net income. Okay, our tax rate is 25%. So that means that our operating income rate is the difference between 25% and 100%, so that means that's 75%. Okay, so in order to find out how much operating income we need in order to earn $180,000 in net income, we're going to have to divide. So our operating income is going to be equal to the net income divided by the 75% operating income rate. So we need $240,000 in operating income in order to get $180,000 in net income. And you can go back and check that. Okay, now we're going to use the target profit formula. All right, let's recall the target profit formula. It looks a lot like the break-even formula. In the numerator, you have fixed costs, and then you add the target operating income. Okay, and you divide that by your contribution margin per unit, and that will give you the number of units needed to earn that operating income. Let's say given operating income. Okay, so we need our fixed costs, we need our target operating income, and we need our contribution margin per unit. Okay, so our fixed costs are $300,000. Our target operating income is equal to $240,000. So we're going to add those two together. Okay, so our numerator is going to be $540,000. I'm going to put that over here so we can see clearly what we're adding and subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Okay, and so we want to divide that by our contribution margin per unit. All right, so we have to recall our formula for contribution margin per unit. We are given unit amounts already, so all we need is our selling price per unit and our variable cost per unit. That will give us our contribution margin per unit. Our selling price is $8. Variable costs are $3. We're going to subtract those two, and that will give us $5 contribution margin. Okay, so our contribution margin per unit will be equal to 5. Let's put that over here. And then our answer is the $540,000 divided by the 5. So Delectable Dish Printery needs to publish 108,000 and sell 108,000 cookbooks in order to generate 180,000 in net income. Okay, that's the end of this exercise. I hope you find this video useful in your studies.